Hello friends, I just want to show you how trading is not very complicated. We just make it complicated. So if somebody is new to trading or day trading, this could be helpful for you. So I'm going to explain you exactly how it is, and it's not hard. So basically here I technically here trade on, there are different stocks. This is like Tesla, this is Meta, this is AMD. Let's pick Tesla for now. So this chart, each candlestick represents 15 minutes, 1-5. Now, if you look at it here, the red candle means it's a down. It was down for the 15 minutes. Green candle means it's up. But the way I trade is, first I'm going to do charting on this on Tesla here. So I basically here use it like this, and then I change it to a line chart just to get it, just because it's makes more sense in the beginning when you look at the line chart. So I look for trend lines. Trend line is something, it basically means you're hitting a line more than 3 times minimum. Okay, but then when you change it to a candlestick, you will know exactly what I mean. So this is where I see where the stock bounced off. Tesla came here, bounced off, and went up. When I look on the top here, I will draw same thing, a trend line like this. Oops. So this is a trend line like here. Okay, this is a trend line. And mostly I do trend lines when I trade. And then we have a support. It's called buying pressure here. So I'm going to draw a straight line from here to here. This is just the line chart I'm using right now. Then I will switch it to a candlestick here. This is also, the stock came down from here recently. I'm going to draw a line from here to here. Now the thing is, this line and this line intersected. See that here? Now if I switch it to a 15-minute candlestick here, it's already, so if you look at it, the stock came, it's not going to always touch this trend line, but it's very close. It came down. Now basically here, when it came down here, 15 minutes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Anybody who's doing the 15-minute candlestick here, I prefer 15 minutes because it gives me enough time to think, and it's not very volatile for me. So my entry would be here, 447, and my target would be once it gets close to this trend line, or when I switch it here, bottom of here, somewhere here. You know what I mean? Here. So this is what trading is about here. It's not hard, and technically anyone, I basically would have been out here because it went up and then it took this 15-minute candle down. So I would have been out over here. So some people want to trade candle by candle, but then this thing eventually went up. If you trade Tesla on a regular basis, you will find the heartbeat of it, that this is how it trades. So it's a very simple thing here. Switch it to a line chart, makes sense. Switch it to a candlestick. This is 15 minutes. If I switch it to say 5 minutes, I mean it's technically here 5 is, I still would have entered here, but then I prefer to see it's less noise when you go with the higher time frame. Like less noise, it makes more sense. If I go to a 30-minute, that would be even more clear. It makes less noise. But depending upon your personality, some even trade 1 minute. Now same 15 minutes, 1 minute is kind of too volatile for me. If you have a personality of trading 1 minute is fine. But if someone is starting out, I would say start with the 15 minutes. It lies somewhere in the center, and you basically are in the trade for a day. I mean, entry was at 1:30. If I'd waited, it would have closed right here, but then I would have been out here because it technically here did like this here, boom, and then I would have been out here. And so technically here, if you see from here to here, it went halfway. From top to bottom, it's approximately halfway. You can make halfway as your target also. So hopefully it made sense, and if you like, subscribe. This is just a general charting I'm doing here based on Tesla. Take care.